What are we doing, sisters?
We're playing with ferrets.
Yes!
Where are we?
At the pet store.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
There's a lot of them.
How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14.
Is he following you?
Yes. Yes. He's so cute. I want to buy him for stash. What?
Yeah, we're in the dark.
Why?